MOS control thyristor, that is MCT. Figure A shows the cross-sectional area of MOS control thyristor, that is P-type MCT. Figure B shows its equivalent circuit diagram, and figure C shows symbol of MOS control thyristor. MOS control thyristor is basically a thyristor with two MOSFET built into its gates structure. Out of two MOSFET, one MOSFET is responsible for turning on the MCT, and hence that MOSFET is called as on FET, whereas other MOSFET is responsible for turning off the MCT, hence it is called off MCT or off FET. There are two types of MCTs, P-MCT and N-MCT, and figure A shows P-type MCT, that is P control or P-type MOS control thyristor. Both types of MCT combine the low on-state losses and large current capability of thyristors with advantages of MOSFET controlled turn on and turn off, resulting fast switching speed. So this is one of the advantage of MCT, that is it has high switching speed, that is turn on and turn off speed is very high as compared to MOSFET GTO SIT. Now when we make anode positive with respect to cathode, the junction between N and P minus region get reverse bias and device blocks the forward voltage. So for that, please consider a diagram as shown on the right hand side of the screen. That is, when anode is made positive with respect to cathode, the junction between N and P minus region gets reverse bias and the device blocks the forward voltage. If negative voltage is applied to a gate with respect to anode, that is minus VGA is applied, a P channel is formed in N region near the gate and on FET is turned on. So since we have two MOSFET, one is on FET and second one is off FET, with negative voltage applied, the on FET is turned on. That means out of two MOSFET, one MOSFET is turned on. Its conduction supply current to base of NPN transistor and make it on. The regenerative action between NPN and PNP transistor is started and finally device is turned on. So when we make the anode positive with respect to cathode, the device is reverse biased and it blocks the forward voltage. But when we apply a negative voltage with respect to anode, that is minus VGA, one MOSFET that is on FET is turned on and it starts to conduct. So when it starts to conduct, the regenerative action takes place between two transistors, that is NPN transistor and PNP transistor, and due to which the device is finally turned on. Now if gate is made positive with respect to anode, that is the on FET which was on earlier by applying a negative gate voltage will be turned off, but the formation of N channel in P region near the gate makes off FET on. That means initially when we apply a negative voltage to a gate, on FET will be turned on, But when we apply a positive voltage across the gate, on FET will be turned off, but the second MOSFET or second FET, that is off FET, will be turned on. The on state of FET short circuits the emitter base junction of PNP transistor. So when off FET is turned on, it shorts the emitter base junction of PNP transistors. Thus, it breaks the regenerative loop which was created when we apply a negative gate voltage. Now, when we apply a positive gate voltage, the off due to a turning on of off FET, this regenerative feedback loop will be break and the device will be turned off finally. The turn off process is carried out purely by recombination of minority carriers in P and N layers. Now we'll study the silent features of MOS controlled thyristors. It is a thyristor-like trigger into conduction device that can be turned on or off by small pulse of MOS gate. That is, we have two MOSFETs on FET and off FET. By controlling the gate pulses to these two MOSFET, we can turn on and turn off the MOS controlled thyristor. The VI characteristic of MCT is similar to that of GTO. The on-state conduction drop is small, typically 1.1 volt, whereas in case of SIT, the on conduction drop is very high, whereas thus if you compare MCT and SIT, we can say that in MCT the on state conduction drop is very small and it is of order of 1.1 volt. Switching time is order of 1 to 3 microseconds, whereas in SIT it is 1 to 6 microseconds. So we can say that MCT is a fast switching device as compared to static induction thyristor. It has asymmetric voltage blocking capability. So asymmetric voltage blocking capability means it can block the voltage only in one direction. It cannot block the voltage in both directions. So these are the silent features of MOS controlled thyristor. Switching speed is comparable to that of IGBT, typically 20 megahertz. So these are few of the silent features of MOS controlled thyristor. Thank you.